Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out Binance account from other devices. So if you also want to log out Binance account from other devices, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Binance application is opened. Initially, you'll be in the markets interface. So if you're logged into your Binance account in other devices and if you want to log out, all you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. At top you'll be able to find your ID. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to Account Center. Over here you'll be able to find several options like verification, security, VIP privilege, Twitter. In order to log out Binance account from other devices, simply tap on the security option that you can see at second. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the security interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You can find the option for two-factor authentication. You can also access account activities, auto log, app authorization, etc. from over here. If you look at second last, you'll be able to find the option for devices. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the My Devices interface. Over here you'll be able to see all the devices in which you're logged into your Binance account. If you want to log out from that device, simply tap on the logout option that you can see right next to that device. Currently I'm not logged in other devices, but if you're logged into other devices, simply tap on the logout option right next to that device and you'll be logged out from that device. So that is how you log out Binance account from other devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.